Hi, I'm Claire from Grayson, and today I'm going to be talking to Rich Brearley, Managing Director of Vision Construction, about their new masonry support setting tool. Good morning, Rich.
Good morning, Claire. Thanks for having me.
No problem. Rich, would you just like to tell us a little bit more about what you do?
Yeah, we're one of the UK's leading installers of masonry support windposts and soffits.
So you've got a lot of expertise in this field?
Yes, definitely. We also specialise in facade cavity management and advanced brick slip cladding. We also do GRC installation. We cover pretty much everything from the brickwork back to the main frame.
So how long have you been doing this for?
Yeah, I've been doing this for 30 years, so time flies.
Since you were a little boy?
Yes, exactly.
So how did you come up with the idea for this product?
Well, the main service we offer is masonry support installation. We've always tried to lead the way with innovation to streamline the installation process, and recently I visited several sites and watched our fitters installing the masonry support. But after seeing how long it took for them to hold and mark up a section, I knew a tool that could hold the masonry support together would work much better than the clamps they were currently using. So I discussed it with our fitters. We came up with some ideas for a specialist tool that would streamline the process and, more importantly, improve health and safety.
Right, so what did you do next after you had all these ideas?
Yeah, I sat down and sketched some initial drawings. I had a local engineering company make a prototype up. We passed it around our fitting teams, and after various trials on site, we tweaked the design until we had a tool that worked perfectly.
So what was the fitters' reaction to the tool?
Well, they loved it.
What do they like about it?
Well, first of all, improved productivity by speeding up the installation process. It drastically improved health and safety by holding the neck section together firmly without it risk of falling.
Which is always important.
Yeah, absolutely. And it also gave them a commercial advantage because they could install the masonry support without the additional pair of hands.
That sounds great. I can totally understand why they would benefit from such a tool like this.
Yes, however, at this point it was just a rough prototype, so we got the design patented and then contacted Grayson's to help us develop it further and bring it to market.
So this is the original one?
Yeah.
It's a bit medieval.
Yeah, so it's a bit like a medieval torture device. It needed a bit of finesse.
Yeah, so this is the new one that you've come up with?
This is it. You know, working with Grayson's, we put this together and I think it's really professional.
So why did you use Grayson to help you with this?
I have a long working relationship with the Grayson team and I also with Tony, the Managing Director. I knew you were recognised for product innovation. It was the obvious place to go. I like that Grayson's work closely with universities and are known throughout the industry for supplying quality, market-leading products. I know that many new ideas come out of Grayson's, and I like the fact that you don't just sell products, but you consider the end user. And you offer help for items like, you know, the mortarboards, profiles, tingles for bricklayers. As I said, you were the obvious choice to help me launch this innovative new product to market. So,
do you want to show me how it works?
No problem, Claire. You get your line and level of your masonry support, you install your first section. On site, obviously these can be up to 2 metres long.
Right.
And then to get your next section and so on down the line, you've obviously got to hold this up. You've got to mark on the wall where it goes, potentially put it back down on the scaffold and carry on. So with the setting tool, you just simply put that onto the section you've installed.
I see, yeah.
Simply insert the next section and grip it with the thumb screw, and there you have it. That's completely held firmly in place. No need for clamps. Perfect for health and safety. You know, that's not going to fail.
Yeah.
The guys can work more effectively, health and safety, and also it sets the standard 10mm gap, which is a massive help. You haven't got to think about that. So yeah.
So literally you just put your piece in, drill your holes, fit it without all the ups and downs, lifting. Yeah,
so it speeds up the process, better for health and safety, and you've got the commercial advantage of not needing a second pair of hands.
What a great solution that you've come up with. What's the plan now?
Well, as mentioned previously, we want to make it available for all the industry. We think that's morally right. So we're making these available through Grayson's right now to purchase, so everyone can benefit from it.
I'll put a link in the bottom of this video so you'll know exactly where you can buy these from. Rich, thanks ever so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me, Claire.
It's been great speaking to you.
Thank you.